Hi, you guys. It's me, Debbie Stallings, again with another wonderful KvCore video for you. This is my website that you're looking at, and on this video, I'm going to talk about the Millions Mapped app that many of you are, I'm sure, are not even aware that we have. It's a really cool app. I wish I knew how to show you my phone right now at the same time as showing you my screen so I could show you the app, but that's something I actually do not know how to do. so I'm just going to show you first where it's at. The Millions Mapped app, it looks like this right here. On your phone, this is the screen that it looks like. So it's a really cool app. They can search for homes. If they, it'll show them active listings in their area. When they click on a listing, if they want to see it or if they want more information, it gives them an option to text you. And if it happens to be someone that's not already a client, then they text you and you get a lead right there because it'll give you their phone number. It's a really cool app. It really is. And it's branded to you. You see it has my picture and my stuff on it. So if you send if your people get this app through your KvCore link, it will be branded to you. Now, the Millions Mapped app is available in the App Store that anyone can go and download directly. But if they do it that way, they get assigned to a random agent. I tested that out, and it assigned me to some agent in Dallas with I forget, I don't even know who it was. But if you send them that way to get this app, they'll get some random agent. So just make sure you are only sending them your direct KvCore link for the app. And I'm going to show you where that is. So this is my website, and where it is, right over here, you should all have this resources tab right here, or drop down box. So you hover over that and then you click our resources, and then you just scroll down and it's right there, you guys. Download our app. So if they have a newer phone, it should have a QR code scanner, and they can scan this code and it takes them to the link or to the App Store thing to download the app, but it's branded to you. If they scan this code, it will be the app they download will be the one branded to you. You can also put in a phone number here, and it'll text the same link. So either way will work. I'm going to take you over to this Sophia's website, one of my mentees. She has, I want to just show you that it's already on your website. It's not something that I added. It's already, all of you have this. So even on her page, if she goes over here to resources, our resources, and right there, she has it too. So all of you have this. It's already on your website because Sophia has not done any customization of her website. This is exactly how it is when they give it to you. And so you can see she has it. So all of you have it. But it's really neat. I love this app. There also is a website address for the app that it's your domain right here. debbiestallings.fathomrealty.com, and this right here, it's like app.php. However, I think there is a bug with that link. That's what the KvCore help people told me. It's not working. When I tried using the actual website address for the app, it wasn't branded to me. So do not use that for right now. Just use the QR code or the phone number. And now, if they're looking at your website on their phone, obviously they can't scan the QR code because they're on their phone. You can't scan a QR code on a website on your phone if you're also on your phone. So, but they can still put in their phone number and it can be texted to them, or you can text it to them. There's a way to do it. So the scanning part would be like if they were on a computer or something. But it is really cool. So again, once they scan the QR code and they download that app, if they're doing it this way, then they will get, where did it go? I'm trying to find that picture. Here, they'll get this, and it'll have your branding right there. And I think it's going to ask them to create an account and then they log in, but it's going to be branded to you guys and you can get a free lead out of it. It's really cool. So, once they get that, the website, the web address fixed for this, then one thing you could do is you can make a Facebook post, make you a landing page, put the link for the app in that landing page, and then you can make a Facebook post and you got an ad and tell people to go download your app and you look really cool. So I think it's a neat feature. I like it. I love it. I'm going to start using it. I have not been using it. I only recently discovered this myself, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, the name of this app is called Millions Mapped. If you go into your KvCore website here, there also is on, I think it's lead engine. There's a little thingy on it. Yeah, right here, right here. So this will let you download it as well. It just gives you more information on the app. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Really cool. I like it, and you can get it on the App Store or Google Play. It's on both of them. But all right, that's it, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.